go. That's the kitten. That's the Bob kitten.
That's not a kitten. That's full grown.
Nuh-uh, that's the kitten. Because the bobcat has 3 kittens here. And everybody's always like trying to... Oh, wow, wicked.
I think it might be a regular cat. But
Good eyes, Harry.
he's a bobcat.
Cool, Harry's... Okay, there is a bobcat and 2 little bob kittens with the mommy cat. Let's see if the babies come back into view. There's the mommy bobcat and 1 little bob kitty. There it is, playing with mommy. But the other one is hiding in the bush. And this camera is just too weak.